Hey, welcome back to Tripod's Garage. Today, we are going to talk a little bit more about the Yarbo. What is the Yarbo? Well, this is an autonomous lawn maintenance machine. So, in the summertime, right now, I have this converted to the Lawnmower module. And all these modules are sold separately. You can purchase them for whichever needs that you need. And in the wintertime, I actually have the snow thrower module. And all you do is you set your mapping and it'll autonomously mow your lawn. It will snow throw your driveway and your sidewalks for you. Pretty darn neat. There's actually a module on the back that you could actually hook up a weed whacker to. Yeah, that's pretty darn neat too. Also, you have a leaf blower module that you can purchase, a fertilization spreader. Yeah, I'm telling you, this thing's just been a lifesaver for me. Whether you're a handicap like me, senior citizen, or you just want a lot more time on your hands, let the Yarbo do everything for you. Heck, this thing could actually even tow 3,000 pounds. And now Yarbo is offering something else. And what is that? Well, let's talk about it right now.
What is Yarbo offering? Well, an industry-leading 5-year warranty. And this is for the first 500 orders from August 15th through the 31st. This is a 5-year total warranty, 3-year accidental damage coverage, and door-to-door shipping protection. So if you hurry up and place your order, you'll be considered the Vanguard 500. A circle of just 500 users who will get the ultimate warranty for free. This is a 5-year pledge from the company. Think of it as an inner circle of maximum protection. Again, this is a very limited time offer, either the first 500 or the 31st, whichever comes first. This is a $1,000 value. And this video was released on August 22nd, so time is very limited. I suggest jumping on this as fast as possible.
Now, when I did a review of the Yarbo, I started out with the snow thrower module. I mapped my whole property, and when I went to send it out, it wasn't connecting. It wasn't getting GPS or anything. So I actually contacted Yarbo support. They remoted into the machine, and they determined that the RTK was no longer functioning properly. And within 3 days, I had a new RTK and I was up and running. And they actually remoted in to make sure everything was up and running. Now that is some great support. And this is what you really don't hear about is great support. You hear more of people complaining about when things don't work, because when things do work, guess what? You really don't hear about it. It just works and people go about their day. And actually, like I mentioned, right now is like the perfect time period to actually purchase a Yarbo. And if you're one of the first 500, you actually get that warranty for free. What a tremendous value. So I just wanted to give you this little public service announcement about this because I think it's something that it's worth mentioning. Otherwise, I wouldn't actually bring it up. So I really appreciate you tuning into Tripod's Garage. Please have a wonderful day, evening, or weekend, or whenever you decide to watch this video. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you again on Tripod's Garage.